Okay, guys. So if you want to get your hair like this, make sure y'all watch the rest of this video. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Taylor Monet. So in this video, I'm gonna be going from this. Y'all want to see me go from ugly to ginger? Keep watching this video. I'm finna go get the hair stuff. I'm gonna get hair color, developer, and then the package after you done. Woo! I'm so scared. I hope it's come out cute. I ended up getting Wella because I love Wella. So we're gonna try the Vivid Darks for dark hair. Now they have fiery copper and crushed copper. I'm definitely going for more of crushed copper, so I'm not gonna put all of the fiery red, just a little bit. Mix 1 to 1. So 1 part color, 1 part. I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one in first. We're gonna do all of this. Let me go pick it. Y'all see what number they say, right? They say 52. So you gotta do 52 twice. So 52 times 2. Okay, so I'm finished doing the measurements, y'all. Now it's time to color. I'm excited. Are y'all excited for me? So I started off by just dyeing the hair, y'all. Dyeing the hair is the simple part. Making sure it come out right, that's the hard part. But I did all this dyeing. Just bleach the hair first. Bleach the hair first. Don't do what the hell I'm doing right now. Y'all gonna see. Okay, guys, it's the next day. So, as of yesterday, I told y'all we working on this. It looks bad. I shouldn't have never bleached it. I don't think. Yeah. As y'all can see, this is the desired color that I'm going for. I actually kind of wanted it to be even a little bit orangier than this. But yeah, no. So what I went back to the store. Let me show y'all what I got. I went back to the store. I told that lady that's my last time going to the damn store. To the store yesterday, I got 3. Originally, I had 2. So I done went through 5 of them. I done went through 5. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. So that's 10. I got this L'Oreal. I got the Sizzling Copper. I've always used this. This is my first time using the Wella. It's cheaper. But I mean, it worked, as you can see. I'm gonna redo my eyebrows too, cause no. And then remember I told y'all my hair did not take like this part. And the lady told me it's because I previously had dyed this part jet black. So I have to take the jet black out of here. As y'all can see, this comes with a big old, this comes with a huge thing, y'all. And it removes unwanted permanent hair color. So I'm gonna have to use this to take this out, and then I'll be able to put that back on there. Okay, y'all, I keep not showing y'all the process of what's going on. It's literally 12 a.m. I'm gonna take this off and see if my hair changed. I am fucking confused because whenever I had dyed it, it was lighter than this. I mean, whenever, okay, I put the corrector, right? I put the corrector. It was brown, like it was brown. Like, what the fuck? And now this shit back dark. I'm gonna try to give y'all a rundown in 5 seconds. I I dyed the hair. If that color, the hair color that I'm using, y'all, is for dark hair only. But I put it on the dark hair. That shit did not turn. It did not work. So don't say it's for dark hair if the shit not working. So then I dyed it again. I'm like, oh, maybe I didn't dye it long enough. I dyed it again. It didn't work. So then I'm like, okay, now it's time to bleach because I don't got time for this shit no more. So now I'm bleaching the hair. Bleach it first, and don't go through all that other process. Just bleach it first. After you bleach it, then put the hair color for dark hair only. Yeah. And then boom. It's gonna be. That's it. I'm gonna give y'all a whole rundown of like the full process, but basically I just had to bleach the hair. Which in the first place, my first thought before I even started this, y'all, was to bleach it and then dye it. That's what I should have did. I wasted so much dye because I didn't want to bleach the hair, but I just had to bleach it. And that's period. I just had to bleach it. And I'm glad that I did because so this is actually the color that I wasn't going for. I wanted a more copper. This is copper, but I wanted like orange copper. I feel like this is more red copper, but it's still gonna be cute regardless. But yeah, y'all, it came out so cute. I just had to bleach it, so I went through so much hair dye when I probably didn't even have to, but that's because I was trying to avoid bleaching the hair, y'all. So what I'm doing right now is basically putting the tracks in. The glue I've been using, the Salon Pro. That's what I use. They have this Salon Pro 30 seconds, but that's just the alternative of this right now. I like this one better. So yeah, y'all, that's basically what I did. I started gluing the tracks in. I already previously had a quick weave, so I just took the hair out, washed it, and then dyed it and putting it back into my hair. I recycle hair. Period. I don't. Okay, guys, so this is how it's coming out. I did some of the top part off camera because I really needed to concentrate, y'all. I do not want to mess this up. So this is what I have left so far. I only have this piece and this piece left now. I actually do have another piece in there, but I don't think, yeah, I didn't bleach it or re-dye it, so I don't know. I'll have to figure that part out tomorrow. Play no fucking games. And then this is hair from my hair collection, MonetSociety.com. I'm going to link it down in the description box below. I take 2 to 3 business days to ship your orders out. I sell raw bundles, curly, straight, wavy. I sell natural hair products and I make wigs too. So y'all better clock it. Okay? I'm finna drop a big sale soon. I'm finna go crazy with my business. So I hope y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all follow me and subscribe. Also, make sure y'all follow my business page on Instagram, Monet Society. I will be doing a giveaway very, very soon. So I'm about like 5 followers away from 500 followers on Instagram. So I really want to do something big for you guys. I am trying to see exactly what I want to do for the giveaway. Make sure y'all comment below. Let me know like what y'all will want or expect expect from my business. I do cater towards women of color, empowering women, showing what beauty really is from the inside out. And I just love sharing that with y'all and having y'all on my journey of like just loving yourself, showing, having self care, showing up for yourself. So that's what my business is all about. Especially being a mom, sometimes we lose ourselves in taking care of others, but we have to also make sure we're taking care of ourselves. So I always praise, and just show yourself grace, like be there for yourself. And that's really what my business is based off of, like just being there for women, period. Like we deserve everything. So yeah, y'all. I'm just showing y'all how I am finishing out my hair. At this point, I've dyed it. I put all the tracks in my hair. I glue everything down, and now I'm just styling it. So I had bought a curling iron from Walmart, but I'm gonna link it down in my Amazon store down below. So if y'all want the exact same one that I'm using, and I am going to just wet my hair because this is curly, my raw Vietnamese curly hair. So I'm just showing y'all how I wet it, and then I go in with the Miss Jessie's curl, the multicultural curl pudding. So that's what I've been using to style this hair, and I really like that product. So yeah, that's really all I put in the hair. I just wet it with some water right quick, y'all. Put that curl pudding on there, and then next we gonna go into blow drying. But I just want to show y'all like how it combs out. I really love this hair, y'all. Y'all see, like y'all can really see the color in this shot, like. I really fuck with the color. For real, for real. I look like Rapunzel or something. I don't know. But yeah, I really enjoyed this color. I really enjoyed creating it, even though it was a pain in the ass. At the end of the day, it came out good. So yeah, I appreciate y'all for liking this video, and yeah, stay tuned for more. I started from black hair. I went through so much, y'all, to get this color. This is exactly what I wanted. I love how it came out. It came out so cute. And I don't know if I want to go back black. This is definitely the color for me. I'm about to do my lashes when I get off the camera, and then I'm gonna take some pictures for my thumbnail. But yes, I love how this came out. I have a little bit of leave out here, and I really like it. It came out so cute. I spent some days on this, y'all, some days. So I don't want to really hold y'all up on this video because it took me like a week or maybe even more than that just to get the final color that I wanted. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. If y'all like videos like this, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel and like this video for more. I'm gonna hit y'all up in the next video.